Hello and welcome to Diabetes 180. This is part 2 and we're going to jump right into it. How to get rid of belly fat and improve your diabetes health. Part 2 of our 5-part series. So today we're going to talk about the step that can't be skipped if you want to reduce your belly fat and improve your diabetes health. That is to increase your intake of dietary fiber. I mean the real stuff, okay? So we're gonna talk about 3 reasons why you need to increase fiber in your diet. Not Metamucil or fiber packets, fiber tablets that you might find in a pharmacy or by your doctor's office. You need the real stuff. Fiber that comes from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lentils, beans. These foods that are rich in fiber are powerful in their effects. The first reason I want to cover is that fiber, as you well know, maybe because it's very, very popularly well known, is that it decreases cholesterol. Okay, and how this works is very simple. Fiber binds on to cholesterol, fat, and even the sugar that's in the food you eat, and slows down its absorption into your body. While it's doing that, it also entraps some of that fat and cholesterol and causes it to exit through your intestines into your feces. Okay, that's why it's impossible to talk about fiber without talking about your poop. It's very, very beneficial if you want to decrease your total body fat storage, okay? And in turn, which, as we covered in our last video, will decrease not only your risk for diabetes, but also help you to start absorbing sugar and being more sensitive to your body's insulin, and your diabetes will turn around. The second reason why you need to increase fiber in your diet is the simplest one. Fiber is a 0-calorie nutrient. Yes, you heard that right. It's 0 calories. So why would you not eat more fiber in your diet if your goal is weight loss? Okay, so the foods that are richest in fiber are lowest in calories. Okay, and if you have more foods that are rich in fiber, at the end of the day, you're going to eat less calories. Reason number 3, fiber helps you to feel full. And if you feel full, obviously you eat less. This is because of reason number 1 that we covered. It slows absorption and digestion and stretches the stomach receptors, this triggers a signal to your brain to stop eating. Okay, so as we eat foods that are rich in fiber, it causes us to feel full longer. Okay, adding to the volume of the food you're eating without adding to your calories. Okay, it's a cheat food, a way to cheat in the sense that you could eat more and weigh less. You have to increase fiber in your diet. Here's another look of foods that are rich in fiber that you want to increase in your diet, even if you have diabetes. And we'll talk about fiber in other videos because this is such a key ingredient to your reversing type 2 diabetes and improving your insulin sensitivity in type 1 diabetes. All right, we'll have more videos like that in the future, but if you want to see those videos and as they come up and as I post them, then you definitely want to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out step 1 if you haven't checked that out, and be sure to tune into steps 3 to 5 that are coming up. All right, thanks for joining again and watching. This is Diabetes 180 with Lewis Bertus, your diabetes reversal health coach. See you next time.